Welcome back to Bosi Eats, everyone. Today I am making some peanut porridge. Okay, this is gonna be so creamy and I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Oatmeal had its turn. Please check the link in the description box. Now we're gonna make some peanut porridge. To my blender, I am going to add some peanuts. I am using roasted nuts because for me, they're easier to ground, okay? So I am just gonna ground this up. So I am going to cut this up. Not too big, like thin slices. And then I'm gonna put in the same blender. Actually, I wanna do the oats first. I'm gonna put some quick oats in here. Then I'm going to add some plantains. To my same blender here, I am going to add some coconut milk. Let me do it in here because chances are it's gonna spill. I like to do mine in parts because, like I said, I like a really smooth porridge. And I've tried it other ways and it just don't work out. Let's bring this back over here. Now I'm going to go back in with my grounded nuts. Now I had some water being boiled, so it's now come to a rolling boil. So now we are going to add our peanut base. And this is the part where you want to move as quickly as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna start by whisking and pouring. Come on. Slowly coming out. You can make yours a bit on the thinner side. I like mine very thick, so if you like it thin, you can add more coconut milk or water. Turn the fire down. I'm going to add the remainder of the coconut milk. And keep your fire low. See, the porridge is bubbling. Porridge for bubble a little bit. You understand? You have to make the porridge sit and bubble a little bit. It's not cooked yet. You gotta give it about a good 15-20 minutes on low. I'm going to add some cinnamon and nutmeg. Then I'm going to add some vanilla. Stir that in. Now we are going to add some condensed milk. This is optional. You can use brown sugar as well, or you can use a combination of both. I'm just gonna add some here. And stir that around. Taste for sweetness. I'm gonna add a little salt for balance. It's not to make the porridge salty, but it's gonna balance the sweetness. We're gonna dust a little cinnamon over it. Now it's time for a taste test. Ooh, let's see. So I'm gonna do the corner, because the corner of the bowl is always the coolest. So good. The right amount of coconut milk plus the condensed milk just makes it so delicious. Try it and let me know. Now my daughter is gonna be our taste tester today as well, so let's hear her opinion. Go ahead.
Mommy.
How is it?
Good.
Would you like some more?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.